Let's do it again.
This is the Legion.
We shining and boy we winning. Yes. We bout to make a killing. I don't care what you feelin'. Yes. I know you wanna steal it. Want it, then come and get it. Yes. You want it, then come and get it. You want it, then come and get it. Yes. Hold up. Wait a
Alright, man. If y'all know anything about trucking, and you look at this load right now, you see a whole lot of shit that's wrong. I mean, right is right, but wrong. If you work for Maverick, you feel me? This is my fucking load. I hate to come back to y'all like this on my first video back to this channel like this, but man, I just this a learning lesson. Learning lesson for both y'all and myself. Even though I know what I did wrong and all this other good shit, I'm gonna go ahead and teach y'all, so when y'all get out here, or if y'all out here, man, don't do the same shit I did. So this is supposed to be what we call at Maverick slinkies. And if you know anything about slinkies working for Maverick, you do not fucking load them like this. You know what I'm saying? Slinkies get loaded with your straps, and you want them butterfly strapped going all throughout the slinkies. And I'm gonna show you exactly what butterfly straps are, because there's a fellow Maverick, my homie, we graduated together. He did his load right. I did my fucking load wrong. So let me show you. This is a teaching moment, man.
Teacher moment?
Yeah, it's a teacher moment. Cause I fucked my load up, but your load looked perfect. You know what I'm saying?
All I do is perfect, man.
All you do is perfect. So I had to show the folks, you know what I'm saying? My camera going. Say hey to YouTube, man. What it do? You feel me? But this is how the load is supposed to be, man. You hear me? I didn't, what fucked me up was I didn't know that these were slinkies, because this cold rod is just thick as hell. You know what I'm saying? So that's what threw me off. But we made it to our destination safely. And yeah, man.
We shining and boy we winning. Yes. We bout to make a killing. I don't care what you feelin'. Yes. I know you wanna steal it. Want it, then come and get it. Yes. You want it, then come and get it. You want it, then come and get it. Hold up, wait a minute.
Take this from me, I think it's a no-no. Picture the happiness in me, the photo. If you do try, I'ma let you know though. Taking some lies after I go loco. Working too hard without no promo. To give it to all of you clowns, no bozo. You get no love and my heart is frozen. Forward is where we go now, no slow-mo. Kill them all, I finna go kill them all. These whack niggas and packages about to go send them off. Can't take my shine, you're not that bright. How can you shine with turned off lights? Not all fault, my nigga, we kinda off. Any fake friends, my nigga, we cut them off. Can't relay, refuse to take a loss. One day soon, refuse to take a loss. It's a secret, I'm out of my mind. I'm the only one out of my kind. Stuck in limbo, I'm out of my time. I am different, I'm out of line. Love tequila without the line, but I just said it so I could rhyme. How could you take me out of my shine when that shit is all mine?
We shining and boy we winning. We bout to make a killing. I don't care what you feelin'. I know you wanna steal it. Want it, then come and get it. You want it, then come and get it. You want it, then come and get it. Hold up, wait a minute. We shining and boy we winning. We bout to make a killing. I don't care what you feelin'. I know you wanna steal it. Want it, then come and get it. You want it, then come and get it. You want it, then come and get it. Hold up, wait a minute.
I wake up, I gotta focus on my pickup. So every single minute I'ma focus on the re-up. And every instrumental gotta focus on the beat up. My flow left hook, beat up, now eat up. Eliminator, you an imitator, I'm the originator. About as cold as a refrigerator, you know. Killing the flow, diabolical, yo. Bet I'ma shine every time I grind with the glow. Running man, ain't running it, man, I'm running it, man. Like I got 100 legs, I'm running ahead. I'm running like I'm running from death. I'm running like they had a gun and I'm running for help. I'm never running out of options, I'm running for self. I'm above all of y'all, but up under myself, I'm in the class of my own. Looking at the flash in the back cause I laugh cause I passed on my own. Superman, who the man? You the man, can't do it, ain't do. I'ma kill him with these, my syllable beats. Feeling the breeze for my lyrical ability be. Filling the blanks, I'm a villain, I'm a pillage and fleet. I'm an armadillo, gorilla, a physical beast. I'm a sandstorm, I'm an unbeatable feat. I'm everything that you are unable to see. Shine, shine. dig, lyrically sick, like I came in here to tickle a pig. Killing it pimp when I'm coming off the top of the wig. You couldn't see me even looking through binoculars, bitch. I'm Johnny Darko, the butterfly fit. Cut him by the neck, hang him by the ankles, I'm a vet. Better cut a check, better bring the cream to my team, Bill Belichick. Better bring it mean to my team, I mean a better check. You a fly airplane, man, I'm a better jet. I'm the Iron Man.
My boy Chris, I wish I could have got him to talk on the camera for y'all a little bit more, tell y'all how it is working for Maverick and stuff like that, but he about to go ahead and get up out of here right now. I appreciate you for letting me record you and shit like that though. You know, everybody don't like the camera, so, but yeah.
Cause they were like, stop playing with these dudes, boy. They were like, don't even play with these dudes, go beast mode on these dudes, boy. They were like, stop playing with these dudes, boy. No shot, no gimmick, no gimme look. No plan, go get it, no giving up. No gas, get a mask like give it up. Gotta get it, gotta kill it like fill it up. No drop, no wait, no hold on. Cock back, let it go like so long. Black suit, black tie with a slow song. Come through, clean them up, put the soap on. No quit, no wait, no stop it. Pull it, pop it, flip it, cop it. No bull, no wait, no stop it. See it, want it, get it, got it. No time to waste, no watches. No time to play, they watching. I spray like an AK laced with the barrel of a rifle. It's a beautiful feeling. I'm no hero or villain. I go beast in a minute when they tell me to get 'em. It's a beautiful feeling. I'm no hero or villain. I go beast in a minute when they tell me to get 'em. Let me loose, I'm the greatest. 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 Why?
Oh, stop playing. Hair all over the place. But before I end this video, man, I want to make something very clear. Because I know I'm going to have a lot of super truckers in the comments and shit like that. Well, I hope not. But it's going to be funny if I do. I brought this shit to YouTube for folks to actually learn from it. And just to learn to really pay attention. You hear me? Pay attention to what's going on. And just really pay attention to what's going on. Because that load that I just dropped off and I actually secured it wrong as hell, it's a load that I've had before. You know what I'm saying? That was not a new load. That's not my first time picking that load up. So I literally just looked at it and thought, hey, this is some different shit that I've never picked up before. I know how to secure when it comes to basic securing. You know what I'm saying? So my load was literally, it was secured. Like it was secured for weight. It was secured properly as well. In a certain sense, just not the Maverick way. You feel me? It wasn't the Maverick way. So yeah, I had folks, actually Chris, the guy that just left, he actually picked up from the same place I picked up from on the same day, and we got on the phone that same day. And I explained my load and shit, and he was like, hold up, that's you did that wrong. You know what I'm saying? It's called what I just got off of my truck is called cold rebar. You know what I'm saying? And the cold rebar is basically slinkies. You know what I'm saying? I didn't look at it that way. I didn't look at it that way. And when I was getting loaded up, I asked the lady. I was like, the lady that loaded me, I was like, hey, how do I secure this? And she kind of just looked at me, and all she said was, don't move until you load the truck up. So I don't know if she heard me or not. She was like, don't move from this spot until you're fully secured. And I just said okay, and I just did what I wouldn't, you know, I just went off my common sense, and I'm like, okay, let me just secure it, you know, let me just secure it the right way. You feel me? Not thinking that it was slinkies. But yeah, man, like I said, it's probably gonna be some super truckers on here, even though I explained myself. I brought my fuck up to YouTube, and I literally had this load before I know how to secure it right. I'm taking full responsibility for securing my load wrong, not the Maverick way, and I'm still gonna have people that's gonna get in the comments and like talk shit. But that's fine though. I don't give a fuck.
What the what's that? Passing through the wave like a jet ski. I'm just trying to live, little mama, don't text me. Watching from afar like a star, this the best seat. I'm just trying to win when I swim, this the best seat. I got them all uncomfortable though. They say I'm arrogant, I thought that I was humble, you know. They say when you shine and you grind that they afraid of that. You're so bright, you're so tight, and they be hating that. The top's so far from the bottom to be exact, but the bottom get you ready to fight for the top black. I'm just trying to let the lights consume me.